Tried a couple of experiments this evening and with no luck. First off, I had purchased this wireless microphone apparatus about, I don't know, a year and a half or so ago. It's supposed to work with the iPhone or an iPad. It no worky. So I thought, well, I've got this new microphone, lav mic, with the new 8-foot extender. And I thought, that works. Maybe if I use this mic with that 8-foot extender, things might work. No, it don't work. Anyway, so here we are, lav mic, iPhone, GoPro. We're trying to marry this video along with this audio, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully we'll have some success. Anyway, I say all that to bring you this video from yesterday where I had the truck repaired, and I think the video will speak for itself. It was all done on the GoPro with the GoPro audio and whatever. And maybe this audio will be a little clearer, a little smoother, less ambient noise. Won't hear the dog barking from across the street. But anyway, it always seems to be something. Today I took the white truck over to have the tires removed from the rims so I could have new valve stems put on it, on each wheel. And the reason for that was the tires on that truck are about 11 years old, I think, 10 years. And over the last 3 years, I've had to replace 2 of the valve stems because they cracked and started leaking air. And I couldn't remember which 2 I replaced. So I figured, well, I'll just get all 4 of them done, get the tires rotated and balanced and all that sort of thing. Well, they were popping off the center caps of the wheels, and this one here separated. So this is, high dollar center cap. I'm sure if you wanted to buy new from Ford, it'd be $200-300 for this silly thing, which is chrome plated plastic. JB Weld to the rescue. Found some of this marine weld. It's supposed to be impervious to chemicals and water and blah blah blah. We'll see. 2-part epoxy. Mix that up and reglue all these little pins back in here where they snapped off. It's not like I don't have other stuff to do. Heap on more things to have to be fixed. Oh well. The way it goes sometimes. Well, instructions say to clean surfaces, which I have done, and I have marked where it needs to line up. Because I don't think I'm going to mess with the points. I'm just going to leave them where they are and glue them, along with putting a little JB Weld on the surface of this steel to make contact on these ridges here. I would think that would hold. This being metal, this being plastic, this being JB Weld. We'll see how it works out. Just makes equal parts. There we go. Fasten to it. That's enough here. Hopefully just enough. And that, my friends, is why you buy a lot of clamps. Well, it says it sets up in 4 to 6 hours and cures in 15 to 24. So we'll just let it sit there and see what happens. I haven't produced a video in the last 2 or 3 where I've done a proper sign off. So in this video, I would like to say, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you don't like this video, give it a thumbs up. We thank you for watching, and please tune in again.
Off.
Yes, off.